Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my another new video. Today I am going to discuss about a great project and its RISE protocol. One of the best project in this time, and it will be the best project in future, I am sure. So now I going to discuss about RISE protocol and the world's most advanced synthetic rebase token. RISE protocol combines revolutionary tokenomics and feature with the best and latest decentralized finance DeFi technology. Smart contract has already passed audit by CTD SEC, professional auditing firms. Wow, it's great. And Shapey from What on Drugs. Key feature. Here are some key features of RISE protocol, and this bounty will be managed by the RISE bounty, the corporate member. Now I am going to talk about this project website. So let's go. Here's their great website, one of the best live website I ever seen. So rise with us. Join the most agile, future-proof of future optimized synthetic release rebase protocol. RISE protocol is built to last. Here their light paper. I talk about their light paper in my next video or next time. So now here's their website bar, their team, their news, their token, RISE swap, light paper, dashboard, CoinGecko, Dex tools, audit. Here giveaway, job, contract. Here's the two options, buy token and dashboard. Here rebase token. Rebase token initially pegged to Ethereum with powerful supremacy black hole deflectionary mechanism. Here dynamic peg, fully adaptable to changing market and investor behavior. Peg can be changed to any asset or asset class, BTC, DOT, Link, USDCTC. In the future, this will be controlled through governance. It's a great news. So I hope so it will occur soon. Here, frictionless yield. 2% of every transaction except bias is initially and automatically distributed to all RISE holders. You will see your wallet balance increase with each transaction. Here, auto liquidity generation. 1% of every sale is permanently locked into liquidity, meaning an ever increasing liquidity and sale floor. Here, liquidity provider rewards. 1% every sale is automatically distributed to our liquidity providers as a reward. If you provide liquidity, your Uniswap LP token will automatically increase in value over time. It's great. It's great system I ever seen. So don't be late. Just invest here and make money for your future. So here the buy the RISE token. RISE token is fully compliant ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, which can be purchased on Uniswap exchange starting on February 11th, 2021. So if you want to buy your RISE token, just click here. Here the ultimate synthetic asset. RISE protocol is the world's most advanced rebase token. Through initially pegged to 0.01 ETH, RISE has the ability through governance to adapt and be dynamically pegged to any asset class depending on investor and market sentiment. This allows for a level of flexibility and adaptability never seen before. Here, the current taxes distributed by frictionless yield 2%, sale by 0%, other transaction 2%, sent to the black hole 1%, here buy 0%, other transaction 0%. Permanently locked in liquidity, here sell 1%, here buy 0%, other transaction 0%. Sent to liquidity providers, here sell 1%, buy 0%, other transaction 0%. So here the reason we are all here is that the currently financial system is outdated. Here Charles Schwab, entrepreneur and Bitcoin advocate. So here as seen on CoinGecko, Dextol, Uniswap and Blockfolio. The exchange token details here hard cap 375.8, here total pre-sale amount 37,500 rise, here total initial supply 1 lakh rise. Here whitelist pre-sale begin February 7, 2021. Whitelist pre-sale end February 7, 2021. Public pre-sale begin February 7, 2021. Here Rise token is live. If you want to buy, just click here from Uniswap. Here distribution of token 37.5 pre-sale, 30% initial Uniswap liquidity, 25% seed investor, 5% team funds, 2.5% development and marketing. Here project timeline, the idea and concept November 2020. Here the beta testing December 2020, token pre-sale January 2020. Here code audit and go live February 2021. Here quarter 2 enhancement quarter 2 2021. Here quarter 3 enhancement quarter 3 2021. And next coming, here their partner Holder Finance, latest from their news section. Here their news section. So now I go to show you the CoinGecko price. Here the price, the present price is 36.10 USD. It's huge. So here the 24-hour trading volume. Just see how, just wow. Here 24-hour low 32.03 and 24-hour high 67.42. Just amazing. Just think it will be the great project in the future. So here the all-time high price 71.21. Here February 16, 2021, 1 day ago, this price will reach. So just think it will be the great project, I sure. So if you want to make money, just invest here and you will be succeed in future. So now I go to exchange Dextol's. Here the same price. Here the price last 312 trades. See here buy, here sell, here buy, here sell, amount 100 rise, 149, 151. Just amazing, just huge trade is occurred. So it will be the great project. So I again say, if you want to make money, more and more money, just invest here. So far today I discuss about this project in detail in my next video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.